You can't be everywhere at once to supervise. But with location-based audio messages, you can know who has heard your updates and your reminders. The activity feed shows how many smart reminders are live in the field. You can see how many have been heard and how many receivers have not yet been informed. Even when a message is assigned to a group, you can see individually who has heard and who hasn't yet. When your communication is location-based, you can see the exact time when your receivers heard a message. You can quickly spot where there's a delay. The sooner you're aware, the better you can respond to a developing situation. You can go back in time to verify past activity. This allows thorough review to confirm whether a critical reminder was heard or not. Nothing slips through the cracks. Quick remote supervision is when you can see if your workers are on track or delayed. With timely reminders, each one knows what to do. You can also easily increase the capacity of your operations. Next, we'll look at how you can add more operators.